catching John doing his Instagram post. Do it for the gram, man.
Do it for the gram.
Go and look at her first. Oh, okay. You just see the bright light.
Smile, act like you're happy.
Tired.
Right?
What is it? 8 hours sleep, 2.5 days?
Yeah.
We're going in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it!
Drop bags for days. Woo! Yeah! Woo! This is the epitome of crewing right now. I am holding the shoe up to the vent to dry it, so that John has shoes that fit. This is the life right here. And how do you feel about what we're doing right now?
This is amazing.
Is this a dream come true?
Dream come true.
Doesn't smell bad at all, right?
No, it does not smell like hot garbage. Poor people who have to clean this van.
I know. So we figured out a trick. And this is where we're at.
Here's a better trick, because if we could set this up and get out of the car.
And just like go, like chill around. Just, well, we wouldn't want to leave the van or anything. Oh my god, I know. Sub 24 buckle. The man right over here. Gotta get my headlight on him.
I always get something else to get.
Yep. Heck yeah.